I'm going to show you how to find updates in the App Store. So what we can do is, first of all, go to our App Store. And normally what you would want to do or try and do is just go ahead to the search bar at the bottom right-hand corner and let's just type in Facebook. You would type in Facebook and see if there is an update available for it, and you would search and it would kind of let you know right here if there was an update or not for the app. But what we can do is go through the App Store and just see all of the apps that are on our phone and if they're able to be updated. So go ahead and X out of this. You want to go to your profile at the top right hand corner. And once this loads up, you'll be able to find all the updates that are available for the apps that are on your phone. And right underneath your name, it'll say App Updates. And that's it. This is going to show you all of the apps that are able to be updated currently on your phone. You can go through and individually update these, or you can go ahead and hit update all. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to find updates through your App Store.